Good morning. We're at the Sage Creek Cottage build again today. And we're at the stage where the roof's been dried in. Dried in means that the roof paper's on it. It's all stapled down and sealed down. You'll see that there's 2x4 runners up there. That's also helping hold it down. So the building is technically completely dry and all of the rough-in systems can be installed in the building. As you can see behind me, the roof has a little snow on it, but that's not going to hurt anything because it's actually dried in. You'll see that the two bottom rows of felt paper there are black and everything above it's another color. The reason for that is the two bottom rows are actually ice and water shield, and they have a rubber barrier built into them that welds itself to the deck and creates a barrier for the ice damming that happens on your eave. What creates ice damming is the inside of the wall where everything's warm versus the outside of the wall where everything's cold. As it melts off your roof, it comes from that warm surface to the cold surface and refreezes, and that creates the ice damming. So the code is that the ice and water shield has to extend a minimum of 2 feet beyond the exterior wall to the warm side of the building. We pretty much do 2 full rows around the whole building to make sure that we've covered that. And then above and beyond that is your standard roofing paper. At this point, we have already been stocked. You can see the roofing laying up there, and the roofer will be here in a couple of days. There's a little snow up there. It's not going to hurt anything. He'll sweep that off as he goes, and then the roofing will go over the top. Everything will be good, and we'll have a perfect roof. You'll see that there's one vent pipe sticking out of this side of the roof. There's others in other areas as well. And the reason that we do it where we dry in and let all the rough in come up through the buildings, it allows all those pipes to get stuffed up through, and that way when the roofer goes by them, he can seal around the pipe, flash it correctly, and everything ties in together to give you a good water seal on your roof. So we want all those vent pipes to get up through the roof before the roofer actually puts his roof on. That's why we do a dry in, do the rough in of the interior of the building, and then the roofer follows.